Welcome to the Hard Reset Pro channel. Today I'll show you how to use Google Wallet on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, open Google Wallet. You do have to install it from the Play Store because it's not pre-installed. Here press the plus to add cards or any transit passes, gift cards, loyalty cards, concert tickets. I'm gonna add a payment card. Press new debit or credit card. And here you enter your bank information or just scan the card with your camera to enter the credentials faster. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset Pro channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.